Okay, ladies, we all know the rules here. Let's pick this up. This is Noah's angle, by the way. Straight to the floor. Okay. Okay. Today we're also going to be moving the male goats into the pen. Grab. How many female goats are we going to have out there? Yeah. I'm just going to hold this for now. We're going to need this actually for later to rally up the boys. Okay, come on. Oh, getting attacked. Oh. Come on. Come on, Big Bex. Don't start really move. She does it every time. Move it. Move it. Look what they do. Just how. Oh no, on the wire over there. Look at a bunch of feed still in that thing. A bunch of feed still there. I don't know if that was a good spot or not to put that. Oh! Ooh! Oh, let me get this. Let me get this started here. Our water bucket. Okay, let me clean this out real quick. Well, as I was, we forgot to bring. Got him. Got him, coach. Got him, coach. Coach, I got him, coach. We're gonna walk them there. Ow! Don't want to lose them. Come on, boy. Let's go. Oh, my head got stuck on the thing. We're gonna throw you in with the females for now. Oh. Did you see that? Last time I did that with a goat, though, freaking turned around and rammed me in the neck. Come on. Quit trying to run away. Come on. I'm gonna toss him over. Oh, oh. Boy, cooperate with me and things will go smoothly for you. Ah! Whoa! I thought you were gonna throw him in right here. Why is it leaning? Hey, just hurry up and get in then. Okay, we're gonna wait for Noah here. Whoa, 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 whoa! That's what you get for running over here, big back. Get going. Get going. Okay. We got one of the goats in, sheep. Now we got to get the girls out of here and get the rest of the boys in. Okay, guys, we're gonna fill up the water. I got to get the last booger for the pigs too. They both got pregnant now. Yep, twinsies. So let's get the water and then we got to get the rest of the boys. Oh, Noah's trying to wrangle up the other sheep. Keeps breaking his ankles. This fool's fast. Oh, man down, man down. Man down, man down, man down. You good? You good, bro? Right there. Tripped over the pig? Yeah. Oh, classic fold move? Yeah. Classic fold move right now, Noah. Excuse you. Okay. Get that filled up right now. And can you? Okay, hold on. Let me get this last feed bucket. so these fools can get off our butts. Oh! Okay, what do we need? Okay.
Stop trying to fight him.
He got no horns to hold.
No,
hold on.
He's a little guy.
Okay, hold on, I can't move. Oh, no, nope. Let go. Okay, sorry about that, guys. If you got knocked over there, we got the other small male. Now we're gonna use another tactic. Can you move, Chris? Come on. We're gonna put the hay here. Should be able to grab them from now while they're trying to eat the hay. Brando. I know, but get close. It. Excuse you. Okay, Noah's got another one. Noah's got another one here. Let me hold him by his horns for you. While he was eating hay, I gotta hold him.
Bring a little closer.
Oh shit, he's strong, boy. That boy's strong.
You hear him making noise?
Yeah. He's got hair like a human.
His leg's over.
Nope. Okay, his leg's over. Sweet.
Now,
this is Enrique. Come on, Enrique. Time for you to go.
he now is the one in the back. Look at him.
Looking back at you. Oh, I forgot to turn off that water. Okay, here we go.
Watch out for the sheep. Let the sheep go. Let the sheep go. Come on, sheep, get out of here.
Sheep, we're not after you.
Come on, sheep. Get sheep.
I could try to wrangle them to you.
Come on. Let go. Come on.
Here we go. The two boys.
You get out of the way, okay? Michael, move.
He's gonna trip you up right
You
now.
already did.
Come on.
Yeah, more than that corner.
Come on, boy. Come on, boy. We need you. Oh. Get him.
Grab him.
I got him. Let go.
Dang it, the other one got him out. Bring him.
Okay. Where's he bleeding from?
His horn.
His horn about to fall off?
I don't know.
Oh, Michael. Come on. Fuck. Yeah, help me. Fuck. Fucking back's all bent over and shit. Whew. Whew. Careful with that horn. I don't know what's up with that horn.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, fuck.
Oh no.
There we go. Noah's got his kid. Okay. Now we just have one more. In the middle. That's... We got him now, boy. This is how we actually slid through that. Okay.
Over here. Don't let him.
Yep. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Okay, that was good. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Why didn't you just ask for permission, dude? Okay guys, that was a great success. We got them all. Now I gotta bring the water bucket over. Look at that stance. Wow. Overflowing here. It's okay. That's okay. Give them a little, you know, little sprinkle. Y'all need a bath, y'all stink. Okay. I'll let that just trickle. Whoops. Okay, now let's go take this to the other guys. Okay. And feed the rest, let's go. Okay, as you can see, great success. We got all the billies in here now. And they will all be going to the sale barn Saturday, so not tomorrow, but the day after. Probably gonna have to move this, or it's gonna freaking fall. But all the other goats are out, and the sheep, they're all out roaming around. These pigs are not over there eating. What are you doing? What are you doing, Big Mama? What are you doing, Big Mama? She's my favorite. Look how big she is. Big back. All right. Well, let's hope they stay in here till Saturday. We will see. They got food. It's pretty secured. They can't really, I mean, unless they really wanted to, they can maybe run and jump over there, but I doubt it. They should be all right. But all the other animals are fed. They got water. I don't know what this one's doing. She's supposed to be over there eating. And yeah, so we're gonna get out of here and feed the chickens. Okay, last step. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, it's gonna turn it off now. And I'm gonna go feed the chickens, guys. Let's go. Party time, come on. Summertime. Those freaking big girls, man. All right, we are inside the chicken coop now. Okay, look how big she's gotten. Oh my gosh, she's massive. Check on the water. Oh, fight back. Fight back. Let me go refill the water because it's nasty. Be right back. Okay, got the water refilled. Clean it out. Okay. Watch out, ladies. Watch out, ladies. Oh yeah. There you go. Fresh water. Oh yeah.
It's hard to tell with them. I looked up a picture of them.
She's so big. He or she is massive.
How does it crow though?
Because this one won't stop crowing.
That's the dominant one. We got a good video of it.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this feeding time and wrangling up those billy goats. Like I said, they're going to get sent to the auction in 2 days, so stay tuned for that video. And then we let out those other girl goats and the sheep, and they're looking healthy, so they're back with the rest of the herd, and we just have those billy goats in that pen. So thanks for watching. If you stayed to the end, appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You don't want to miss out on another great feeding time, another great YouTube video too. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.